Welcome guys, we're going to make some banana fritters today, so stay tuned to see this tasteful spicy banana fritters that I am about to make. First, you will need some very ripe bananas. So now I'm giving this banana fritters a total twist. So I'm going to add some walnut to my banana fritters. Some crushed walnut to have some crunchy bite. So if you want to go the basic way, you just crush your banana, add some white flour and all your spices, and there you have the original banana fritters. But if you want a little changes, you can go ahead and do the same as I'm doing. So our fritters batter is ready. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is perfect. Small piece. See that? Which means the oil is ready and the stove is on medium high. So we are going to continue to place a small amount of the banana butter. For a richer banana flavor, I'm going to place some slices of ripe banana on top of the fritters and press it in so it sticks. It's going to give your fritters a nice look and also a richer banana flavor. And if you notice, I didn't add any sugar to the batter because the banana is already sweet because they were very ripe, so you don't need to add any sugar unless you really like a lot of sugar. So we are going to press in these banana slice so they stick in the batter. Nice golden color, beautiful. The final result of our banana fritters, garnished with some walnuts. If you notice right here, this is one of the fritters that I placed some slices of banana in. It gave it a nice look, and you will have a richer flavor of banana. So guys, go ahead and try your banana fritters. Drop a comment, let me know how did yours came out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more upload, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching guys, bye.